Rikers is going to be replaced with 4 borough-based jails. One of them is going to be in Queens, and I went to go see the plans. You would have thought I was going into Fort Knox. I had to make an appointment. I went with somebody else who was also a part of a community group. They had to have our names. They gave us a specific time. They led us into the room, and somebody sat there and watched us when we went through the material. On the desk were 6 books, stacked this high. They were like 3 inches tall each. You ever watch like a crime show and all of a sudden the defense wants to bury the prosecution in information? That's exactly what these guys were doing. And I can't get too far into it, but I'm going to give you some top line stuff, and this is all stuff that has appeared in the press. The biggest thing was there actually is no plan. The plans are not set to be done until the first quarter of 2027. Rikers is supposed to close in 2027. The jail is set to be completed in January of 2032. What has been in the press and what we were promised by politicians was that this jail would not be taller than 195 feet. The rendering we saw show it going up to the full envelope, which is 301 feet. This will be a cathedral to incarceration.